Welcome to our channel. Setting up low balance alerts with Regions Bank helps you avoid overdraft fees and stay on top of your account balance. Follow these step-by-step instructions to create custom alerts. Step 1. Log into your Regions online banking account at www.regions.com using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to the Settings or Profile section, typically found in the account menu or by clicking your name. Step 3. Look for alerts or notifications in the Settings menu to access alert management options. Step 4. Click on Create New Alert or Set Up Alerts to begin configuring your low balance notification. Step 5. Select Low Balance or Balance Alert from the list of available alert types. Step 6. Choose which account you want to monitor, such as your primary checking account. Step 7. Set the dollar threshold that will trigger the alert. For example, $50 or $100, depending on your typical spending patterns. Step 8. Choose how you want to receive the alert, via email, text message, or push notification through the Regions mobile app. Step 9. If selecting text message alerts, verify that your mobile phone number is correct in your profile settings. Step 10. Set the frequency of alerts, such as receiving a notification once per day when your balance is below the threshold. Step 11. Review all alert settings to ensure the threshold, account, and delivery method are configured correctly. Step 12. Save your alert preferences and test them by checking whether you receive a notification if your balance drops below the specified amount. Step 13. Adjust your alert threshold as needed based on your spending habits and financial situation to ensure you have adequate warning before overdrafts occur. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.